Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are here to present two-point form of equation of straight line. Actually, straight line can be represented by many ways. One of them is slope-intercept form, and the second method is two-point form. And there are many other methods, but here we are going to discuss two-point form in order to represent an equation of straight line. Two-point form is given by y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. We are given by a question. Find an equation through this point and this point, presented by x1, y1 and x2, y2. Present your formula over here. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. In the previous lectures, I have already defined what is m. M is slope of the line. Is it flat, straight, vertical, horizontal? You have to find the slope m by this formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Put the values of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 in order to get the answer of slope, that is minus 5 by 8. Now, put the values of y1 and x1 in place of x1 and y1. y1 is 1 and x1 is minus 4. x1 is, minus 2. Now, the slope you have already found over here is minus 5 by 8. Now, solve it. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 8 minus plus x plus 2. Now, cross multiply this 8 over here. 8y minus 8 ones are 8. Left over is minus 5 multiplied by x plus 2. Minus 5 being multiplied by x minus 5x and minus plus minus 5 2s are 10. Now present the line in a sequence. Take this minus 5x over to the next side of equality, becomes plus, it was minus 5x plus 8y is equal to minus 8 will be solved in the like term of constant and become plus 8. Minus 10 plus 8 is equal to minus 2. Now present your general form of straight line of the equation. Move this minus 2 constant over to the next side and make the standard form equal to 0. And the standard form of the required straight line is 5x plus 8y minus 2 will be converted into plus 2 is equal to 0. And this is the required straight line you have found by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And it is called two-point form of presentation of straight line. Hopefully you have got it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.